How to fix camera crashing in Moto G Stylus. First of all, first stop camera. Open setting now. In settings, scroll down, click on apps now. Here you will see app search. Camera app now. Click on camera app. Scroll down, click on force stop. After click on force stop, camera will be force stop from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart phone. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, clear camera cache, open settings, scroll down, again click on apps, again search camera app and again click on camera, scroll down, click on storage and cache. Now here you will see clear cache, and if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, camera will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings, open settings, scroll down, click on system, click on reset options, click on reset device setting and again click on reset device setting. All setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix camera crashing in Moto G Stylus. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.